Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, there lived a student named Timmy. Timmy was known as the weakest student in his class. He struggled with every subject, from math to science, and even the simplest of tasks seemed like a mountain to climb. Timmy's classmates often teased him for his poor grades, and he felt a constant pressure to excel, but it seemed like an impossible task. His parents, though loving and supportive, couldn't hide their disappointment as they compared him to his high-achieving siblings. Despite his academic challenges, Timmy possessed a relentless determination. Every day after school, he would retreat to his room, books and notes scattered all around him, struggling through the homework that came so easily to others. Tears of frustration were not uncommon, but he refused to give up. One day, a new teacher named Ms. Anderson arrived at Timmy's school. She noticed Timmy's struggles and decided to offer him some extra help. Ms. Anderson was patient and understanding, always finding innovative ways to explain complex concepts to him. Slowly but surely, Timmy started to grasp the material. Months passed, and the transformation in Timmy's academic performance was remarkable. He wasn't at the top of the class, but he was no longer the weakest. Timmy's determination had paid off, and his confidence grew. His classmates, who had once teased him, now admired his tenacity. Timmy became an inspiration to them, showing that hard work and determination could overcome even the most daunting challenges. As Timmy continued to improve, he realized that he had discovered his own strength, the power of resilience. He knew that success wasn't always about being the best. It was about never giving up, even when the odds seemed stacked against you. Years later, Timmy graduated from high school with a sense of accomplishment and a scholarship to a local college. He pursued a career in counseling, determined to help other students facing challenges like he once did. Timmy's story became a reminder that weakness can be transformed into strength through unwavering determination and the support of caring individuals.